So let's start with an example that'll help illustrate why this is so important. When we first started exploring outer space, the early astronauts would return home for their physicals only to find that their bone density had decreased as much as 20% in some cases. Now that was obviously quite alarming, seeing as how they were in prime physical condition prior to leaving, but this helped us to learn something very important in regards to bone tissue. Bone is constantly changing and adapting to the stress placed upon it. So if you spend an extended period of time in a zero gravity environment, that bone's going to change and adapt by decreasing its bone density, kind of like a use it or lose it situation. But that also means that exercise and physical activity plays a huge role in maintaining and even increasing bone density. Exercise doesn't just cause the bone to increase its density. Bone will also adapt by changing its shape and its internal architecture. So let's take a look at some of these amazing features of bone so we can figure out what's actually happening with these adaptations and changes, and of course, get into how muscles and the various forms of exercise play a role in this.